Hello, welcome to the Real Estate Market Watch. I'm Bob Gibbs. This is Friday, August 6, 2010. What I want to talk to you about today is what we're really seeing in the real estate market in the East Bay of California. And actually, it kind of goes in the whole Bay Area. And a lot of it has to do with, and what I'm going to talk about is what we're reading in the media and what the media is presenting as the real estate market in the country. And so we have some very distinct markets throughout this country. A lot of the things that we're reading and it's being reported upon, if you actually look at the detail of the article, it's from data taken somewhere in the Midwest or in the Southeast or even in the Southwest part of the country. What we are seeing here in the Bay Area is sometimes drastically different than that. And I'll give you an example. We're hearing a lot of reports, and I'm reading a lot of reports and doing research on a slowdown in the market. The first part of this year, we saw the market kind of going crazy. A lot of home sales throughout the country. Prices seem to have rebounded and were on their way up throughout a lot of the country. Not all parts, but a lot of the country. We saw that in particular in the Bay Area. And in the Bay Area, we were seeing homes sell with multiple offers at all different price points. What we're seeing now, in contrast a little bit to what the media is reporting, is that we're still seeing multiple offers. Now, we're not seeing them at the higher price points, and what I mean by that is homes really over $1 million or so. But homes between $900 and $400 or so, we're seeing multiple offers quite frequently, actually. And then those homes that are priced over $900, if they're priced well, we're seeing multiple offers on those as well. So this is in a market where it's become much more difficult to get loans, albeit loans are interest rates are lower than we've seen, I think, ever, recorded anyway. It's still much more difficult to get loans. It's actually akin to what it was maybe in the early 90s. So things are documented much better. There's a lot more underwriting requirements. You have to really prove that you make the money you claim you make, and there's a lot of other things involved with it. But it's a little harder to get loans these days, especially compared to what we were seeing 3 or 4 years ago. Media is reporting that we're looking for a double dip in a recession, which means that we went down and we're starting to come up, and they're looking at to go down again. A lot of it has to do with jobs, and the jobs report isn't looking too favorable, but we're seeing the government doing things to try to keep people in their homes anyway. And there's been a couple of reports lately where there are several lenders and economists that are promoting the banks to actually go in and maybe even start reducing the principal amounts. They haven't agreed to that yet, and that's kind of a slippery slope to start going down, but it's something that's at least being bantered around and discussed. So I think what I'm seeing and kind of making out of all this is that the government and the financial institutions have really spent a lot of money, time, and energy trying to soften our landing for this recession we've been in and keep us out of a depression. And I find it hard to believe that they are now just going to take their hands off if the country isn't running on its own, under its own steam, and generating jobs and seeing a vibrant, growing economy. So, bottom line on this, if you were considering buying a home but you're kind of waiting right now to see what happens, that's a strategy you can employ. However, if you see a home you love and it's what you've been looking for, don't wait. Go ahead and buy it, especially being that we're seeing interest rates as low as they are now. Even if the prices go down a little bit more, interest rates will most likely be going up, and those are just offset. So if you're looking for a home, you see one you like, I would just recommend you go for it. If you're a seller, we are seeing multiple offers, as I mentioned. Key is, home's got to look good, it's got to be priced right, and you need to go into it with a mindset that this is a business transaction and it's no longer your personal possession. If you do that, you'll have some success selling the home. So basically, be motivated. So that's it for today. I just wanted to kind of report a little bit on what we were seeing in the media and talk a little bit about that to give you an idea of what's going on in the Bay Area. So as always, you can feel free to call me at 925-984-3992, or you can always reach us on our email, or our website, I'm sorry, at www.therealestatemarketwatch.com. It's updated daily with new blogs, information, news articles, videos, you name it, anything having to do with real estate is there. And as always, we're here to help you realize your real estate goals and dreams. Go out and make it a great day. Bye.